Hi, I'm Franco Viotto with the company Martini and Duranti in Lugo, Italy, and today I'm going to present you a new feature of this forklift. We have been designing this skid steer attachment. This is a way to use the forklift also for hitching any kind of equipment that normally go on trucks like bobcats. Today we'll see an example of some attachments, but of course there are no limits except the capacity of the pump, which can also be adapted to the use. What we have been doing here is, as an example, we have been hitching the snow blade. You have seen that the hitch was very quick. We have all the movement. This is a good way in a farm to optimize the use of the forklift also in winter time. When we have a lot of play, a lot of snow, we can keep the yard clean. We'll see now how it works. Martini is also manufacturing cold planers. This can be useful for little works in the farm, and of course it can be used also industrially when it's necessary to put down a line or something like that. Again, this was a way to demonstrate the versatility of this hitch on the Martini and Duranti forklift. This cement mixer is another example of the use of the Martini and Duranti elephant forklift. It connects easy to the forklifts. We have the hoses running the mixer. This is another option that can be very useful in the farm and also in the industry. This was Franco Viotto, and we like to thank the company Gordini, which has been providing the equipment that you have seen in this video. Gordini is having a wide range of equipment. Every equipment is run with hydraulics, so not only, like in this case, the forklift, but also excavators, tractors, bobcats, whatever.